Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best laptop with numeric keypad you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many laptops with numeric keypad and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each laptop with numeric keypad so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a laptop with numeric keypad. First, check the size and layout of the keyboard, as full-size keyboards with numeric keypads are usually found on 15-inch or larger laptops, offering better comfort for data entry. Next, focus on performance needs such as processor, RAM, and storage capacity, ensuring smooth multitasking and handling of heavy applications. Display quality also matters, so choose Full HD or higher resolution for clear visuals. Battery life is another important factor, especially if you plan to work on the go. Additionally, check the build quality, port availability, and overall weight for convenience. Finally, compare prices and reviews to get the best value for money. A well-balanced laptop with a numeric keypad enhances productivity and comfort. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.